Good morning, everyone. Today I just got some candle, battery candle, been delivered by Amazon. So we're gonna start put battery in them. There are 5 different size, 5 candles, 5 different sizes. So we're gonna put the battery in them and then gonna turn them on after we put the battery in them. So let's get started. Put the battery in our candles. Put the battery in the big one first. They use 2 battery in each one. So turn it off first. Not sure which way, you know. I think this is the correct way. And turn it on, and then we put the lids on. Just one lid up, you know. It's quite bright, you know. Do another one.